This is a message for what the text calls the new order of the future. What it says is that there are people like us everywhere on earth in whom a flame of expectation burns. People who sense that something new is coming, something more is coming. People who desire to evolve themselves in the image of Jesus. People who would like to transform. People who would like to transcend. People who would like to go into outer space. People who would like to extend their lives and contact other life and actually become a universal species. People who would like to help their fellow humans overcome destruction and move towards a moment of planetary unity when we know that we are one, we are whole, we are good, and we are universal. If there's anybody listening to this who has that sense, who has that flame, who has that love, and would like to connect up with others who feel the same to help the world experience this moment of love and oneness, please contact me. I am a member of the Order of the Future. Each of us is forming it by forming it in ourselves, by improving ourselves, purifying ourselves, correcting ourselves. It is not an organization. It is not a church. You're not being asked to be a member of anything. We are just going to connect and act together for the sake of the world.